Put the Teflon down. Teflon, also known as PTFE, starts breaking down at high temperatures, releasing fumes into your home, releasing toxins into your food. You don't need that. What you need is stainless steel. Stainless steel is non-toxic and more durable. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to cook with it, and I'm also going to show you just a little review of the Henckels stainless steel cookware that I got from Costco. Let's get into it. Here's the breakdown.
The key is to preheat the pan. To know if it's ready, drop a little water, and if it dances around, it's ready. Then add your oil of choice and swirl it around your pan. Add your food to the pan and let it develop a crust before flipping it. This will help to naturally release it from the pan. It tastes so good, friends. Try it out.
Now, let's talk about the cookware that I've been using. This is the Henckels Tri-Ply Stainless Steel Cookware that I got at Costco for about $130. It has 7 pots and pans along with 5 lids.
The set comes with an 8, 10, and 12-inch fry pan, as well as 2 saucepans with lids, the 8-quart stock pot, and the 4-quart saute pan with a lid, which I'm currently cooking with.
One of the cool features that the pots have is that they have the spouts already in them. So whenever you are making soup or tea or whatever that may be, it's so incredibly easy to pour in. And then the lids, they do have this feature here where you can easily just drain some pasta or water without having to use a second utensil. So less things for me to clean in the kitchen, the better. Can I get an amen? If you are looking to upgrade, I do recommend this brand. I've had a great experience with all of the pots and pans. They are dishwasher safe, so that's pretty easy. However, one of the things that I don't like, and I don't think it's Henckels specific, I just think it's stainless steel, is the cleaning part of it. You do need a lot of elbow grease to really get those stainless steel shining. But I'd rather do that than keep the Teflon, to be honest. The thing about wellness is it starts with small steps, like maybe we don't change what we cook yet, but we could change how we cook it. Maybe the next step, going from inflammatory oils like canola and vegetable oil, and you switch to something like non-inflammatory, such as avocado oil, olive oil, coconut, ghee. It is the small steps, friends. If you're Googling already, right? If you're looking up the whole difference between why Teflon, why stainless steel, I know you have a little bit of an incentive inside of you that it's just bubbling up and saying like, I know there's another better version of how to do this thing called life. It is about cultivating all of these small little steps that are going to get you where you need to be. Slowly but surely. I don't know what this accent is from. I'm having too much fun. Last thing, don't be a Teflon. Don't you dare start releasing harmful things into your environment or your friend's environment or your family's environment when things are getting heated up. Okay? Because you don't have the soul of a Teflon. You are stainless steel, my friend. You might be thinking, you don't know me, but I know 2 Timothy 1:7, which says you don't have the spirit of fear, you have the spirit of love, power, and self-discipline. And that is what I want you to shine through when things are getting heat up. Okay. You didn't think we were gonna get that deep today in a stainless steel review, but that's how we do it here. I'm very intense. Intense is the only frequency I know. So stay blessed. I will see you in the next video. Bye. Subscribe.